Hello, today we are going to make a small little macrame ornament. Okay, so for that, you need to get a 12-inch long cord. You have to fold it into half and tape it to the surface to get some stability. Then you have to take a 39-inch long cord and place it below the folded 12-inch cord, and then leave some space on the top, on the taped top, and make a square knot. Okay, this will be your first square knot, and then what you have to do is you have to make another square knot below it. Now when you make another square knot below it, you have to keep in mind that you have to leave some space between the first and the second square knot. And what you have to do is you have to take the second square knot and push it upwards to make these tiny loops on both the sides. Now you have to do the same again uh, with the third square knot, but keep this in mind that you have to make it much below than the first one. Similarly, you have to do the fourth and the fifth square knot, and repeating the process again and again. You'll get a small Christmas tree, and then to finish it off, you are going to do again one more square knot, but without leaving any gap. This will get you a cute and small Christmas tree, Christmas ornament. Okay, hope you will try this and let me know how it works out.